When you need strong, affordable cooking equipment for your kitchen, look no further than Cooking Performance Group Countertop Gas Lava Briquette Charbroilers. CPG charbroilers are available in sizes ranging from 15 inches up to 72-inch widths, so you can choose the right cooking space for your needs and keep up with your customer demands. Every CPG charbroiler comes with stainless steel U-shaped burners to heat your lava briquettes and evenly cooked product. The grates are reversible, with a thin side that's perfect for searing meats and a thicker side that's great for grilling more delicate items like fish. Each charbroiler comes with a full-width bull nose to protect the control knobs and pilot area on the front of the unit. And for easy cleaning, the grill grates are removable so that you can wipe down the broiler's interior. The exterior of these charbroilers is made of stainless steel with a built-in waste tray for crumb and grease collection. For easy installation, each charbroiler comes with a 3/4-inch rear gas connection that is suitable for natural gas, and an included conversion kit lets you change it to LP in no time. You can rely on CPG Lava Briquette Charbroilers for all your grilling needs.